Welcome to Guided Meditations by Milka. Right now, give yourself a moment to breathe. Allow yourself to be. This presence of life is a gift. Feel the love of this existence around you. Allow nature to hold you and nourish you. Repeat these affirmations. I am whole from within, as I am, here to shine and be. I am the joy that radiates through the sun. I am the calm that flows in every ocean. I am as grounded as the roots of a tree. I am as light as the breeze that fills me with ease. Remember to breathe and be. Thank you for your presence. With love and gratitude, Milka.